Hi, I'm Sarah, and I want to share something truly life-changing with you. A few months ago, I was just like you, skeptical about lottery systems, thinking they were all scams. That was until I discovered the lottery defeater software. Today, I'm here to tell you how this software not only changed my perspective, but also my life. The first time I heard about the lottery defeater software, I was intrigued. I thought, why not give it a try? The software promised to use complex algorithms and data analysis to increase my chances of winning. Honestly, I was doubtful, but I decided to take the plunge. The setup was straightforward. I downloaded the program, entered some basic information, and the software did the rest. It analyzed past lottery data, identified patterns, and provided me with specific numbers to play. It was also user-friendly and intuitive. I remember the first time I used the numbers suggested by the lottery defeater software. I didn't win the jackpot, but I won a decent amount. It wasn't just a fluke. Over the next few weeks, I kept winning smaller amounts consistently. The more I used the software, the more I noticed how accurate it was. Now, let me tell you about the profits. In the past 3 months, I've made over $10,000 using the lottery defeater software. It might not be millions, but it's a significant amount that has helped me pay off debts, invest in my future, and enjoy a better quality of life. It's incredible how a small investment can yield such substantial returns. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. The lottery defeater software works, and it can work for you too. If you're tired of losing money on lottery tickets and want to increase your chances of winning, this is your opportunity. Right now, I have an exclusive offer just for you. By clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment, you can access a special page on the official website with a $100 discount coupon, 4 amazing bonuses, and detailed instructions on how to use the lottery defeater software. This offer is limited, so don't miss out. Take control of your future today. Join the thousands of others who are already winning with the lottery defeater software. Click the link now, and let's start this journey to success together.